iView. An information view, or simply iView, is used to create tabular reports. The data for the tabular reports are extracted using SQL statements and database views. The SQL may have parameters. These parameter values can be accepted from the user when the report is run. The mode of accepting data for the parameters are defined through the parameter properties. Let us take an example of generating a customer report. To create an iView, go to iView list. Click on New. Provide name and captions for the iView and write a SQL for the same. While providing the SQL, the parameters are defined. The data types are set for the parameters. And click Next. The user can enter the values for every parameter while the report is invoked in the runtime. The user may want to select data for a parameter, or get it calculated based on a formula, or just enter any value. In all these cases, there might be a need to validate the user entered data so that the report provides proper values. The rule to populate data into a parameter, and validate the same, can be set through the parameter properties. In this example, if you want to see the customers in a list, the customer selection can be given as a parameter. The parameter value may be selected from a drop-down that lists the customers for selection. This can be defined by setting a SQL to customer parameter. The SQL result is shown as drop-down values for selection. In the Columns tab, you can click on any column name and change its properties. You can rearrange the column items by dragging and dropping them at the required position. To resize the columns, click at the end of each column, and drag the required length. You can define, or modify the overall iView properties in this Properties section. Finally, click on Save. In the Run mode, go to the iView. Select the parameter. And the application will display the results accordingly. All the filtering, grouping, sorting, adding custom views, and charting options that were shown in the list view, are available for iViews too. In the next video, you would see the details related to custom HTML pages in Expert.